Sherry.
Hello, Sherry.
Yeah. Then get like go to Enterprise. Liberty Avenue.
Let's go on
All year's night, right? So this first time this man danced in 20 years. So we got Sean Paul in there. Clanbrook connection, GT connection, wherever you are, Happy New Year. Let's go, guys. 1, 2, 3.
Happy New Year!
Send out greetings to mom and dad. Happy New Year.
Alright, Jenny. Alright, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Not morning.
It's not good morning? Alright, good. Well, we're in the old year's mode, you know. Hope you guys are having an enjoyable, productive, and meaningful day on an All Year's Day 2022. From New Jersey, USA to the world, especially my compatriots, Guyanese, and all the diasporas, especially my Clanbrook villagers. Shout out to Anns Grove, Two Friends, Dutch 4, Beehive, Greenfield. A happy Old Years. All right. Today we're going on a rainy day to New York. All right, rainy day to New York. We have the whole fam here, or most of the fam. All right, so hope we get some nice views from New York. All right. Sherry.
Hello, Sherry.
Yeah. Then get like go to Enterprise Road and what a place in college in, right?
Nomprel.
Nomprel College in, right? See Shishala?
Yeah.
Yeah. We got she gotta go back to Guyana, you know.
Next
right?
month.
Next one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vacation next month.
Next one. There you go, buddy. Yeah, you gotta visit, man, you know, just whatever. Yeah? Alright, alright. Sally, you dancing song?
Yeah.
Now what's in my room?
I don't dance free. If you got money, it's fine.
Yeah?
Josh,
Alright. So you know my name is Ravi, right? So this is another Ravi, right?
Robbie Party.
This is another thing. I never see an ugly Ravi yet. You understand? So they said the first baby they make, they gonna call the baby. If it's a boy, Ravi, and if it's a girl, Ravina. Yes. So tell me why you make so much, get so much rum at the bar, boy?
So when you come up, we can
Enjoy.
support too.
So, but you tell me something just so you drink responsibly, right?
Yeah, don't drink.
Everybody, you just get it up there, you know, whatever.
When guests are, when guests.
You know, I always say, right? No to drugs and alcohol. But if you're drinking, drink responsibly. Liberty Avenue,
Let's go on
All Year's night, guy.
Why is the dentist place so small?
What happened? Oh, this guy comes so fast. We still have a lot of people here, a lot of cars. Alright, you give me a little turn in. So we're on Liberty Avenue in New York. We're looking for Little Guyana, the street, the avenue that's named after Guyana, the Guyanese population in New York here. It's very big.
That's what you're drinking last night.
Yeah. So we're making a left on Liberty Avenue here, going towards Sibyl. But what we want to do from Little Guyana here, we want to just give you a glimpse on the last day, the last evening of 2022. Yeah? While we're getting some Hrithik Roshan up on the action there. We're still busy, right? People doing that last minute.
Charlie brother even gonna work yesterday.
Oh yeah? Nice dog.
You pass on grab, you pass on.
passages.
Close you pass the wrong road.
Oh, who the one? That's the front.
Oh, like, check your with that.
There's a beam of LED.
No bright, you know.
You know what else? You know, man, you can carry. You can put it in the front of the car. A bottom. A bottom in there.
They shiny kill them.
You can yeah. So the last one
is
shopping.
smart, young kill set.
Yeah. Yeah. They're running through here and then you come through. Traffic is busy here, man.
It's nice though, it's here.
Yeah, this is like an older model, you know, you just go into the interior. It's shaped like an old Jeep. Like a Santa then get to be an old. Yeah. Alright.
Big Jeep on the way,
Somebody double park. This used to be a national anthem in Guyana when this comes out. I know you probably in Barnet, but and the song still fresh. Yeah, we can't go in front. Watch it this way. All you gotta do go up a little, right? Yeah, they wanted to tell me not to move, right? You see, all over the world, you see, you got this man in Guyana, all of that, right? All over, you got this, but you just gotta stay patient, you know. And keep
you on park, can you wait for no one?
Yeah, that's why you probably waiting for two, you know. So you can't get too hot with everything this. So we can coming up here, Lefforts Boulevard here. Lefforts and Liberty Avenue. That's your the Little Guyana Avenue.
I did not see like green, man.
Yeah. Them on alright. Them on alright. Yeah.
Battery there.
So right in the front here, that's Little Guyana, Lefforts Boulevard, running this way. And where we go in this here, that's Liberty Avenue, up and down. Traffic is too much here, but you know, just want to give you guys a nice glimpse of Old Year's Night. You know, last evening of 2022. So we want to go all the way up to Sibyl's, #1 in New York here for Caribbean West Indian cuisine. You know?
Only I you give a class this out.
Yes. Don't try, this is not for no, like, yeah, it's more express.
Wait, I'm going some for mama.
Yeah. What am I gonna get cooked there by?
Oh.
Jenny cooking anything?
Yeah.
Oh. That's on rice?
Dollar rice and all rice out in it. The little fine fish.
Patchouli?
No,
Oh yeah, that's nice, different kind of thing. I want donkey no, when you come back?
No. A nice rice, fish cook. Pork or something.
Pork?
You like pork?
No. All right, happy All Year's Day, bye. You'll notice several businesses rename their business as Little Guyana. You know, get into the advertisement. Thinking now get more sale. Yeah. But you see the dress up like across the street? Look what you have.
Like. People come here, oh, you get, and you in down here,
No, you gotta be careful, you know. Anyway, you gotta show patience and all this kind of thing. You never know. Sometimes you drive in here, right? And thinking a man trying to cut you and all kind of thing. They carrying their wife to the hospital or their mother or father sick. You never know. But sometimes we the hustle and bustle, we are just guilty of that, you know. We wanna go first, yeah? So almost there to Seville's. I think it's next car. Yeah.
Bali yang club dong, then he runs.
So you notice this area, right? Like the businesses close up here, no? Yeah. So it's less populated or something. So Seville is on the left here. Yeah. So we turn through and turn back, eh? So Seville is up there. And as you can see the finger, we're right up there. So this first time this man danced in 20 years, you know? So you want to dance with your wife now, right? Huh? The man loosen up his hips and everything in place, right? We have to loosen up for some exercise. Now the man starting back now, right? So now you got your sister now to dance with him. Look here. Okay? Alright, alright. So we got Sean Paul in the house. Alright, happy All Years.
So why can't you see me ought to be? You get the girl down front of me. I just wanna be next, so don't have my fear. Let me see you bring your body right over here, because you should share it. Girl, I care it, and I'm gonna give you love so clear. It's gonna make you.
Okay? What's the matter with that girl? Jenny now. Bring Jenny now. Hey, bring Jenny. Follow. Yeah, yeah. Please, come, come. Come here, sure. Hear the song called Julie and called Anita. Yeah. You know this song here, right? Is when my nephew-in-law, Cristiano, was a baby. Nitu mother, that his grandmother used to sing this song for him. Right? Used to sing this song. Yeah, yeah. So Cristiano, this is to you, bye. Say grandmother favorite song singing to you. When you're listening to Michael Sweet.
I am dicing in front of that. Okay, coming quick.
No, I'm not coming quick. It's
Okay.
a video.
Oh, it's a video?
So we want to wish you guys all the best for the New Year. Tonight is Old Year's night. We're all here. We came from Jersey. This is our New York family. Clanbrook Connection, GT Connection. Wherever you are, Happy New Year. Let's go, guys. 1, 2, 3.
Happy New Year!
Hope you guys have an enjoyable, productive, and meaningful New Year. All right?
Patrick, want to say hi to Iman?
Go, say something. Anybody want to say something? Go. Go ahead, Mark. Mark, you want to
Yeah,
say
I'd like to send out greetings to mom and dad. Happy New Year.
All right, Jenny, say it, man.
Malaki ka, di ba siyo?
Mark, you look like an
Oh my god! Oh my goodness!
So I'm unable to the thing and the man finish the thing.
You can still say double.
Yeah?
You can still say double.
All right, buddy. What am I want to say? You want to say a happy New Year,
To my mom and dad, and
Yeah.
brothers,
brothers at home.
in-laws,
Everybody.
everybody. You want to say? All right.
Oh, so you have your 3 sons there with you for the New Year?
You saw it.
Yeah.
Angeli. I'm here, Angeli, when she kept us in.
So you want to say?
All the way. All the way.
Yeah.
Let's go through these.
All right. Nice, nice. You want to say some back home? You want to shout out? Give a shout out? Come on. You don't know nobody. You know used to be anybody.
They don't know the channel though.
Yeah. So nobody, I mean, not to you guys. I use that like a ninja all night. That about you know,
You know it's true that.
So yeah.
Nah, I can't shout at anybody.
I don't want to shout at nobody no
I
more.
like to shout Happy New Year to my mother in Clanbrook.
Oh yes,
yeah. See,
to
coming up
Granny, to Granny.
to Granny. Yeah.
Come on, let your grandson say.
And my sister,
Favorite grandson.
Shout out to Rich.
Huh?
Shout out to Rich.
Yeah. A happy new year to my loving, caring, amazing, beautiful, sweet, adorable wife, Rachel, and to my daughter. May you have the best for the new year and stay sweet.
Oh, so
Love you.
what you want to cry?
Love you. Me want to cry.
Also, love you. Grandma.
Me want to cry with me pocket broke. So
Not cry, buddy. Oh, hey.
Now, do you say until everybody? Georgie?
Yeah, Robbie back.
Everybody else, Josh? Yeah. Patrick, you want to shout out to him?
Says okay.
You good? All right.
Everybody's good.
Uncle Robbie, what you ever say to your mother? Say something to your mother.
I wish everybody, my fellow brothers, sisters, a Merry Christmas, wagan, and Happy New Year, and in the birthday and anniversary and everything. And let this be a good year for all of us. Love you, good night, and live with love. That's it.